Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a character become evil in Scratch. First, you need to pick a sprite. Choose any one you like. I'll pick the cat. Go to costumes and flip. I don't know how to. I exactly don't know how to flip the mouth. But let's just continue. And then fill the mouth. Fill the character's mouth with red. Then erase the cat ears and replace them with demon horns. He looks sad. Okay. Okay. Then you just need to add some eyebrows to make it even more eviler. Or if you want to code something, just add the text-to-speech block. Okay. I'll make it say, I will destroy the buildings. And then choose a sound. Nah, you can't choose a sound. But a voice of tenor. Okay. Yep. And that's how you make a character turn to evil mode. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more new notifications. Thank you and bye.